Good morning, my dear children. In the previous class, we had discussed about metals and non-metals introduction, position of metals and non-metals in the periodic table, and also some physical properties of metals and uses of metals. In this class, I am going to discuss some objective questions in metals and non-metals from worksheet 1 in metals and non-metals. Question number 1. There are some statements given asking whether the statement is true or false. Statement P. Metals are good conductors of electricity. Is this statement correct or not? Yes, metals are good conductors of electricity. So this statement is true. Statement P is true. Statement Q. Metals are lusters. Yes, correct. Metals are luster. Luster means what? Their surfaces shining. Okay, brightness. So Q statement also true. Next, statement R. Metals are generally soft. This statement is not true. Why? Because metals are generally hard. Okay, now except some metals. Example, sodium, potassium, 1A group metals. They are soft. Okay. Otherwise, generally metals are hard. So statement R is false. F. Last statement. Yes. Metals are bad conductors of heat. No, metals are good conductor of heat and good conductors of electricity. Okay, so statement S also false. Hence, which option is correct? Second option, option B. State P and Q statements are true, R and S statements are false. Clear? Now, question number 2. Given assertion reason type question. Assertion, metals are sonorous. Yes, correct. Metals are sonorous because they produce sound. Okay, so assertion is correct. Correct. Next, reason. They are generally brittle in the solid state. They break into pieces when hammered. So reason is not correct. Why reason is not correct? Metals, when hammered, they will become thin sheets but not broken. Non-metals only broken when hit with hammer, but metals are not broken. So that's why reason is wrong. Reason is not correct. Assertion is correct. Reason is not correct. Hence, what is the right answer? Option C is the right answer. Assertion is correct and reason is incorrect. Okay. So question number 3. The major metals in the earth crust in the decreasing order of their abundance are major. Generally, aluminium occurs in the earth crust large quantity. So high percentage. So aluminium highest. Then after iron, then after calcium, then after sodium, and then after potassium, and finally magnesium in the given metals. Aluminium occurs in large quantity. That means high percentage. So third option is the right answer. Option C. Some metals abundance percentages we should memorize. Okay. This is the order. Aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium. Right. So this is the correct answer for question number 3, third option. See the question number 4. Identify the metalloid from the following. Okay. So already we discussed some metalloids. Silicon metalloid, germanium metalloid, okay, antimony metalloid, arsenic metalloid. These are all some examples of what? Metalloids. Okay, now see here given options what? Arsenic, yes, metalloid. Antimony metalloid. Germanium metalloid. So all are metalloids. So hence option D is correct. Arsenic, antimony, germanium. You know what is metalloid? Metalloid has the properties of metals as well as properties of non-metals, which shows properties of metals as well as properties of non-metals. So that is called what? Metalloid. Okay, these are the some examples. Okay. You must see the question number 5. Which of the following metals have low tensile strength? Question number 5. Low tensile strength. First of all, let us discuss what is tensile strength. Tensile strength is nothing but resistance of a material to breaking under tension. That means which material has high resistance power to breaking under tension is called tensile. That means it has high tensile strength. Okay. The material which has low resistance power to breaking under tension, that has low tensile strength. So finally, tensile strength is nothing but resistance of a material to breaking under tension. Okay, now so that is called tensile strength. Low tensile strength means low resistance power to breaking under tension. Okay, generally metals having high tensile strength, non-metals having low tensile strength. Okay, so in metals high tensile strength high, non-metals tensile strength low. Exception in metals mercury and also zinc, these two metals having low tensile strength. Generally all other metals having high tensile strength, but mercury and zinc low tensile strength. Okay, so hence the correct answer is mercury and zinc, both B and C. Option D is correct. Next one, question number 6, matching type question given. There are two columns, column A, column B. In column A they are given some properties. Okay, now you have to match suitable. First one, ductile. Okay, you know what is ductile? A substance can be drawn into wires. That is the property of what? Ductile. No? So hence the ductile one is matched with Q. Substance can be drawn into wires. Next one, second one, malleable. Malleable nothing but what? The substance can be beaten into thin sheets. Substance can be beaten into thin sheets, already we discussed. Okay, then malleable match with statement or. Sonority. Sonority nothing but what? Making sound, produce sound. That is match with P, the property of making resonating sound. Now the last one is tensile strength. Just now we discussed tensile strength nothing but what? Resistance of material to breaking under tension. So tensile strength match with what? Okay, na? So this is the correct matching, 1Q, 2R, 3P, 4S. Hence option B is correct. Next one, question number 7, the metal that occurs in free state in the earth crust. Free state, gold occurs in free state. Okay, not in combined, it occurs in free state, direct gold. What is the free state and combined state? Free state and combined state. What is the difference between free state and combined state? Free state nothing but it is obtained, it is available. Okay, individual. For example, gold. Gold occurs in free state, AU. Silver, AZ, it occurs in free state. And also platinum also occurs in free state, not as combined state. Okay, combined state means that is in the form of compounds, occur in the form of compounds. For example, you can take iron in the form of Fe2O3, in the form of Fe3O4, in the form of Fe3O4. Zinc in the form of zinc carbonate, in the form of zinc sulfide obtained. These are combined states. Free state means occurs individual. Okay, so gold occurs free state, silver occurs in free state, platinum occurs in free state. So hence all these are correct statements, gold, silver, platinum. Okay, no? Next one, question number 8, the most abundant metal in the earth crust is. Already we discussed in the question number 3, already we discussed most abundant element in the earth crust is aluminum, Al. Most abundant metal, the earth crust, aluminum. Question number 9, metals are good conductors of electricity because. Already we discussed metals are good conductors of electricity. Reason? Due to free electrons, they are good conductor of electricity. Okay, mobile electrons are free electrons. Okay, so electrons carrying electricity in the metals, so that's why. So they have free electrons in the outermost shell. That is the right answer, option C. Next, question number 11, the property due to which a metal can be beaten into sheets is called malleability. Okay, beaten into sheets, that is the property of what? Malleability. Option C is correct, malleability. Question number 12, which is not the property of a metal? Malleability, yes, this is the property of metal. Ductility, yes, this is the property of metal. Conductivity also property of the metal. Forms acidic oxides, this is not a property of metal. Generally metals forms basic oxides, not acidic oxides.